On today's video, we have listed everything we know about AYA Neo. This portable console is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 4500U CPU and has the Renoir architecture, complete with Radeon 6 Vega Graphics. This portable console is not only powered by AMD Ryzen 5 4500U CPU but also a processor with 6 cores, 6 threads, and is based on Zen 2 architecture. The graphics of this console are integrated with the Radeon 6 Vega Graphics with only 6 compute units. AYA Neo also comes with 16GB of LPDDR4X memory and 1TB NVMe SSD. The console is also packed with 1280 x 800 IPS screen with 47Wh battery, which can last up to 6 hours of normal use. Some people who had used this console and left their reviews include Taki, Udon, and Anita Prime. This portable console is expected to release for the general public on March 10, 2021. The price of this AYA Neo is estimated to be around $699.